guys, welcome back to my channel, and by the title you already know what kind of video this is going to be. I'm going to be unboxing and giving you guys a look at these amazing frames that I got sent over from Lensmart. So I want to take this time out to thank you, Lensmart, for collaborating with me on this video, and thank you so much for sending me some frames. Before I get right into the video, I do want to show you the frames that I originally got from Lensmart with my own coin. And I got these glasses probably a year ago. You know, your normal early eye exam, then you switch out your prescription if you need to. If you guys watch my vlogs, you would have seen this pair of glasses. I had these like about a year ago. I don't remember the name of these, but I'll put it in the video somewhere. Super sturdy. I actually saw these frames. It was just like a sponsored video. I actually had them screenshotted in my phone ready for like when my year roll over, so that I had to get new frames or anything. And I absolutely had to get these. Very affordable, very sturdy, very nice, very cute, very everything. Now let's get to unboxing. I have 6 pairs of frames that Lensmart sent me over. 2 of them that I actually got my prescription done in. So this is what the case looks like. It's just a simple hardcover case, just with like the logo and the name Lensmart written on it. Very cute, very classy, very nice color, very simple. Bad boys open up. This is what they look like. They're in plastic to protect them just from scratches and anything. And inside it comes with your cloth, your waving cloth, and they have it packaged in this little package, but I don't really need that right now, so I'm just gonna put that back in here and get straight into the frames. These frames are called the Harriet frames. So these frames were actually one that I requested to have my prescription put in them, and y'all can already tell like these frames are already giving my style. This is already pretty much me. Let me just show y'all the detailing at the side of the glasses. I really like this color here. It has like a little bit of green in it. It's like tortoise, but it's like tortoise with like some green. I don't know if y'all can see like the little green specks in the frames. Probably not, but like just looking at it, I can see like there's a little green specks. I like the detailing. This gold detailing at the side is like giving kind of sort of cat eye. I also like this little gold detailing here by the handle. I've been more into like the frames that have like the metal handles instead of the ones that have like the plastic handles. I know this is like a mixture of both, but these are called the Harriet frames, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. And y'all, this is a first look. I have not tried on any of these glasses at all. It looks so cute. I am literally going to start wearing these glasses from tomorrow. I can already tell like I was into like big frames, and you know, big frames are still good, but I like these kind of simpler looking frames. So I really like this. I am actually really liking these. These are actually going to be going into my bag today, so I can start wearing these to work from tomorrow, because the girls at work always like, Tara, like you always change up your glasses, like you just always change up your frames. And yes girl, this is a closer look. They really suit my face. They are very snug, very sturdy. They just feel, just giving me like that professional corporate girly vibe. I really like this detailing at the side. I really like the size on my face. I like that they are not bothering my lashes, because y'all know I'm a lash girl. So this particular color or shade or whatever is called the black tortoise. They have the black tortoise, they have brown tortoise, and then they also just have like plain black. Alright guys, so these are the second pair of frames that I have, and these are another pair that I actually chose and I have my prescription put in them. These are called the sandy frames, and as y'all can tell, it's just like a white frame. It's mainly like transparent, and then it just has like the black rims, like black around the top, black at the bottom, but it's like transparent at the side. Let me give you all a close up. I am loving this like little gold. Yeah, this is gold. I'm loving this gold hardware right here. These, as you can, I hope y'all can see the detailing on them. Very cute, very cute. Let me put them on. This is the handle. The handle is like a plastic handle, but it's not like that super thick handle. And this is the y'all, like I like these ones too. Like they're a little bit bigger than the last pair. A whole different look, they've given a whole different vibe. Very professional, very corporate. Like they feel very sturdy, fit my face very well, just like the other pair. They fit my face very well, look good. They look very classy, very professional, very everyday for sure. Get into it. No, seriously, get into it, because like we're this is like what the nose part looks like, and I'm always wary of the nose part because I'm a very oily girl, so depending on how much oil my skin produces throughout the day, I'm always having to like wet my glasses because I have issues sometimes where they tend to like fall from just like the oil on my face. I don't think I may have that problem with these. Either way, I love these. Also, I got this. I believe this is how you measure like where your pupil sits with when you wear glasses, something like that. It's called the PD ruler. Don't quote me, I could be wrong, but I think that this is how you can give a correct measurement of where your pupil sits while when you're in your frame. Okay, so the next pair that we have is called Sarah. It's also another very professional looking pair, as y'all can tell. This is the detailing. It has a gold metal handle, black at the end. It has kind of like a tortoise right at top. I'm gonna try these ones on, and these ones are called Sarah. Yes, I like Sarah. Sarah does not have my prescription in it though, but nevertheless very cute. I believe that these do have the blue light in them. I can just see like the reflection on the camera, so I think that they do have the blue light in it. Sarah's giving very grown up, very casual, very everyday office babe, but also look good just with a beat face and a nice outfit, you know, just a simple look. So let me give you guys a close-up of these. I'm very professional, I'm very classy. I love big frames, but I also don't always want to overdo it all the time. These are like the good, like the perfect in between. They're not too big, but they're not, you know, small. They feel very good on my face. They feel very sturdy. They, as I said, they are a little bit big. They fit my face well, they fit my ear well. So next up we have Huck, and Huck is a very funky, like, I don't know what to call this. Is like more like nude, or I don't know what is this color. It's like a pinkyish kind of cute nudie color. It's also given a little bit of tortoise on top. These are blue light glasses. This is the handle. The handle is like this all pinky nudie kind of tone, hard plastic with the metal on the inside, so easy to bend if you need to have these bent to your face. Very cute, but probably, actually I changed my mind. At first I was gonna say that I don't really see myself in these kind of frames, but these actually look pretty good. They fit very well. What are these giving y'all? Like, tell me what these giving. And it's kind of, maybe y'all could tell this has like a little bit of a hint to it. I guess the blue light, whatever they do is giving it a little bit of a yellowy bluey tint, not bothering my lashes, which I love that all the time. I will always love that. Again, very professional, very flirty, very cute. Huck is giving me very much me stepping out my comfort zone with these different types of frames. And as I really like the fact that they have like the little bit of tortoise on top. Yeah, I just like it overall. Next up is Nevaeh. This is Nevaeh. These frames are very cute, very funky. However, they are not my style. They're very much giving Harry Potter vibes. This is the detailing on them. As I said, these are very cute, very funky. I absolutely like this, like you know, this, I don't know what to call that, how to describe this, but like, you know, this little eight looking thing that they have going on. I also like that it has these like nose whatever these are called. I don't know what these are called, but I like that it has those. It has gold handles, gold metal handles with the black. I like that these are like they look kind of are they two-tone, because I guess it's still considered black, but like obviously this part has like, the actual frame of the glass, so you can see. They're not bad, guys. Honestly, they're not bad. They're very cute. However, I don't think they're my style, but they look really good on me. Like, I can't even lie and say that they don't. They look really good on me. As always, they're very sturdy. They feel very good. They're fitting my face very well. Yeah, they're just not me. They're just not my style. But these are called Nevaeh. She's giving very funky, and I know a lot of people would like these because, you know, they got a lot of fun. Nevaeh is giving like very fun, very funky. But yes, this is Nevaeh. It's just not me, but Nevaeh is a good look. It's not my style, but I'm not absolutely against them. What's Nevaeh giving y'all? Tell me down below. Because last but not least, we have Murphy. This is what Murphy is giving. Very standard, very cute, very lightweight. These feel very lightweight, but obviously because it's all like plastic mainly. Yeah, this is actually all plastic. I am not seeing any metal in the frame, so sorry, in the handles. I'm liking this like transparent, like dark transparent. I do like this little detailing here at the side. Really like the double line detailing, giving very simple, very casual. Let's put it on. Yes, Murphy's giving very simple, very casual, very like not doing too much, just very chill. Also very much everyday, very much lounge. I must stop saying very much. I like Murphy. I could see myself wearing Murphy. I could see, yeah, I could definitely see myself wearing Murphy. She's obviously a bigger frame, because obviously you can see like more of my face than you can see, you know, my eye. Yeah, it's giving very professional. I do like her, as always with all of these glasses. Very sturdy, very comfortable fitting my face, and I like to like look up and down and around just to see like, you know, how I feel about them. Yeah, I do like Murphy. So let's get a close-up. Yeah, I definitely like Murphy. I think I'm gonna wear Murphy for the rest of the day, and honestly, even though she doesn't have my prescription in them. But yeah, y'all, so this was the last pair of frames. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is all for today's video. If you liked any of the frames, please let me know down below. Please rate each and every frame down below and tell me what each frame is giving and how it looks on your girl. And please let me know if you do decide that you want to stop by over at Lensmart online to choose a pair of glasses. I should definitely have a discount code for you guys, so please take a look down in the description box below or in like the comment section if it's not on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you again, Lensmart, for collaborating with me on this video. I love your frames. Very sturdy, very nice, and very affordable. See you guys in the next video.